If you want to close your first wholesale real estate, specifically with vacant land in the next 30 days, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that in this video, in person, in real time. I'm going to take you with me and we're going to talk about how to close deals. You're not going to make any money watching videos all day, right? You need to take action if you actually want to win. So today, we're going to go through the real process of checking out properties. I want to show you real builders, finding these builders, everything that you need to know, start to finish, the entire process, in person, face to face, how to close your first deal in the next 30 days. Anyone can do this following this correct process. So I'm going to take you with me through that process today and show you real live examples. Let's get into it. All right, so before we get to the property, let's break down what wholesaling actually is. A lot of people think of getting into real estate and they believe it requires thousands and thousands of dollars of capital that you're investing, and that is the complete opposite with this business model, which is why I believe, and honestly it's probably factual, that there's no better business model to start out as a beginner in real estate other than wholesaling vacant land. So let's break it down really quick. Number one, all you're doing is you're finding land for builders, because guess what? These home builders, they cannot build their brand new construction houses without a piece of land first. So that's the first thing we're doing. We're finding land that is desirable for home builders. Next, we need to do this in areas where builders are actually building houses, right? This is fully virtual, fully online. It doesn't have to be done in your backyard. You don't need to drive through your city looking for properties, things like that. You can do this anywhere. And you want to pick hot markets, areas that are booming, where there's a ton of land being sold every single day, a ton of new houses being built. That's exactly what you're looking for in a hot market. So that's number one, finding a hot market. You cannot do anything without a hot market. If you're in the wrong areas, you're not going to do deals. So once you find a market, then you need to focus on finding builders in that market. This is where the no experience part comes in. These builders will tell you exactly what they're looking to purchase. They'll keep it super simple, right? I'm looking for 1 acre in Miami, Florida under $500,000, right? Anyone can go out there with that information and essentially start reaching out to landowners and working on some deals, right? To keep it simple, wholesaling vacant land, you're not buying the property, you're not putting up any money, you're not risking or investing thousands of dollars. You're finding a piece of land, you're getting it under contract, a one-page contract, and you take that contract that you have and you flip it for a higher price. So let's get into it. We'll go drive to this property right now and we'll cover a bit more. This right here, this is what we flipped. Behind me is an empty piece of land. They're already about to start building on this one. But remember, this is land. It is not a house. There's no rehab. There's no tenants, no inspections, no one living on the property. It is an empty piece of land. So let's say this property behind us, right? Let's do some quick math. This property behind us, let's say it's worth $120,000, correct? That's what a builder would pay, give or take. Maybe 118, 119, 120. It's worth $120,000. But remember, we are only speaking to sellers that purchased these types of properties years ago for cheap. So back in the day, early 2000s, the seller paid, let's say, $50,000 for this property. So if I bring them a cash offer to the table for $100,000 on this piece of land, they're doubling their money, right? They'll be more than happy. I'm taking this property off their hands. They're not doing anything with it. It's been sitting there for the last 20 years. They're paying taxes on it. They just want to get rid of it. So I would offer this seller $100,000 for their property. We get that under contract, right? They sign the contract for $100,000. What are we going to do next? We need to bring the deal to one of these builders, okay? So we get the deal for $100,000. It's worth $120,000. Now we need to bring it to a builder. And remember, I'm just bringing you around checking out these properties in person. This is all virtual. You never have to leave your house. You'll check out properties on Zillow, Propstream, the county appraiser site. I'm just having fun today. I want to give you a great experience and bring you around town. But this behind me, we'll say it's worth $100,000. Now we need to find a builder, right? I'm going to show you a fun way to find builders. This is not what you're actually going to do, but let's go find a builder, get back in the car. This is what we are looking for. This right here behind me, they are building houses. The builder's sign is right here behind me. Now, again, you're not driving around looking for builder's signs, but this is a great example, right? We're looking for land in the area. There's a ton of land. There's a ton of houses being built. The builder's sign is on the property because guess what? They want you to find them. They want you to bring them as many deals as you can possibly bring them. So I just found this builder, right? Just driving around, having fun. That's not what you're going to do. If you go on Zillow.com, Realtor.com, you filter for new construction, you can quite literally see every brand new house, right? Every house that is being built, new construction. They just bought the land, they just finished building the house, and now the property's for sale. So that's what you're looking for. And guess what? The contact information for those builders will be directly on that Zillow or Realtor.com listing. So you're gonna call them. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. My name's Alex Mineo. I see you're building in Miami, Florida. I wanna bring you some deals. I know you're looking to buy. Can you tell me exactly, what you're looking for, what price range you're in, etc. And the builder will tell you. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. You don't wanna sit there, talk their ear off, try to be their friend. They don't care. They just want you to bring them deals. They need one thing to do a deal: land. They cannot build more houses without more land. And guess what? That is their business. Build as many houses as possible. The more houses they build, the more money that they make, right? So they're not short or tight on capital. These builders are some of the most cash heavy people in the United States, and they have an unlimited budget just about to buy land. So you don't need 100 good builders. You need one good builder in each area that's paying top dollar, because you don't need to sell to different builders if you already have one amazing builder. So one good builder in each area, right? Maybe have a backup or two, and that's it. That is all you need to consistently do deals. These builders want to work with you. They want you to bring them deals. That is how they make their money, and that's how you're gonna get paid. So that is it right here. Builders behind me, that's what you're looking for, and you will see it just about everywhere. In every hot market, builders are everywhere. You have a market, you have a buyer, you know what you're looking for, you need to reach out to people, right? So we use Propstream, we pull a list, we want to speak to landowners that have owned the property for 10 years or longer, right? We don't want to speak to people that purchased the property yesterday, 10 years or longer, they've owned it for a while, they're ready to get rid of it, easier to deal with, right? Easier to negotiate with. So once you have that list from Propstream, we are going to message these people using Replysmart.ai. So Replysmart.ai, when it comes to communicating with sellers, that is something that you need. I highly recommend using that one. Pricing's the best, functionality, everything like that. So you message this list of sellers on Replysmart.ai. Next, you're gonna go back and forth. You're gonna negotiate, right? Let's say your builder is willing to pay $120,000 for 1 acre in Miami, Florida. You need to negotiate with these sellers and have them below that price of $120,000. So let's say we find a seller, they agree to $100,000. We need to send them a one-page contract. So here's a quick example of this one-page contract, right? You'll have the date, the obvious stuff, the name of you or your company, the seller's name, property address, vacant land, the price, the earnest money, all that good stuff, right? So you need to fill that in. This is just a sample contract. You need a very specific contract that allows you to flip the property or flip the contract without ever having to put up any money or purchase the property, right? You just have a contract. You have the rights to the property on that contract, and all you're doing is flipping it. So you send over that one-page contract, right? You let the seller know, great, we have a deal. I'm gonna go ahead and send you the purchase agreement for this property. It'll outline all the terms that we agreed upon. So typically you'll put 30 days to close on that contract. Now, again, when you have the right contract, you can cancel it at any point in time. You could just walk away. If the deal goes bad, if it doesn't go through, you're not stuck buying the property, you're not risking any money, losing any money. You can cancel and you can walk away. Now you understand the process of closing one deal. Obviously, we're not just closing one deal, right? I've closed over 600 of these transactions. You wanna aim to close at least 3 to 5 deals per month. The average deal will put around $5,000 in your pocket conservatively. So if you're doing 3 to 5 deals per month, you're making anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 per month. Now, the key to doing more deals is, number one, finding a market that has capacity and a ton of action to be able to do multiple deals, right? There's some markets, one city, where I've done, 40 or 50 deals in that one area. But outside of that, right, you need to be able to find more and more areas. You find another area, you add it to your rotation. You find a builder in that area. Now you have a market, you have a builder. So if you spend time, right, finding 10 markets, and it won't happen right away, because remember, you need to actually test out these markets. You might find a market, you might think it looks good on paper, it doesn't end up producing. It's pretty rare, as long as you're consistent, of course. So once you find a market, you need to consistently send messages in that market and generate leads before you just say, oh, this market is not good. Give it at least 30 days, right? As long as you have a builder in that area saying, hey, if you bring me something, I'll buy from you, it's most likely a good market, right? All you have to do is find the deal. So you want to work your way up to about 10 markets, give or take, and aim to get anywhere from 1 to 2 deals per month in each market, right? If you're doing 1 to 2 deals per month in each of those 10 markets, you're doing anywhere from 10 to 20 deals per month. And that's, life-changing money at that point in time. I mean, you're making $50,000 to $100,000 a month. For example, me, it's copy paste. I wake up every single day, I do the same exact thing. I close 30 to 40 deals every single month, like the back of my hand. For the last 2 years, we have not dropped under those numbers. You need a system. You need something that's just simple, repeatable, easy to follow, doesn't require any skill set or crazy intelligence, and that's what I've built. So if you want to learn my system, you want to learn how I'm closing deals, right, left and right, more than anyone else out there consistently. I don't have just big months, right? All my months are big. All my months are consistent. So I'll give you an opportunity to book a strategy call with my team. I'll show you what I'm doing. We'll walk you through everything, literally. We'll talk about your experience level, where you're at right now, where you want to be, and we'll create a full game plan from start to finish for you to see how real, right, and feasible it is for you to make this happen. So I'll put that link in the description to book a strategy call with my team. So you'll book that call, we'll walk you through everything. I'll break down my system, how you can copy it, how you can even partner with me directly on deals, and the results, you know, the numbers and the results don't lie. Pretty simple, right? Numbers don't lie. We have students doing anywhere from $10,000 to some over $80,000 in a month. That's what you can do too. It starts with one thing, action. Sadly, you can figure it out yourself, but it is gonna take you about a year, the same way it did for me. So that's why I'm here to help. Book a call, link is in the description. Appreciate everything on this one. I hope you had a good time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.